Prior to coming into training for Bowen, I had been searching for different healing modalities to explore, and I was deciding what to add to my roster of healing tools with patients. And I'd heard about Bowen from a number of people and had a few treatments. Came away feeling like this was something I wanted to explore even further. Like I just knew instinctively that this was the direction that I needed to go. And so some of the few expectations that I had was just to simply explore this modality more and see if this was the right fit for what I wanted to do down the road in my healing practice. And so after I took the 4-day course, I've walked away with a lot more clarity and direction, that this is indeed the direction I need to be going. And this for sure, 100%, that I will be exploring this modality, using this modality with patients in my practice. But personally, I believe it helped me heal not only some personal issues for me, physically and otherwise, but I feel that this is a potent modality that I can now confidently use with patients, and be certain that I can achieve stronger results in hopefully shorter periods of time.